Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick video. I had to do a lot of research back and forth to the auto parts store. So, trying to get a fuel filter for this 89 Toyota pickup with the 22RE in it. First, they gave me this one and said, hey, this is only for the 4-cylinder. It's not inline. Could not find it. Went online, all I can find is the fuel injected version, and it wouldn't say fuel injected on the videos. It just said, hey, this is where the location for the fuel filter is, and it kept showing me the big inline one that bolts up underneath your intake to your block. So I went back, got that, came back, looking, can't find it, so I kept doing more research, found some diagrams and stuff, more research, and then I found it. So, behind here, let me zoom out, this is the passenger side, the fuel tank and everything's here. So, right behind here, above the frame, is where it's at. So, lifted the truck up under here, and there it is. See if you can see it. And yeah, this whole engine's been redone, rebuilt, my dad said, and he couldn't find that. Took me forever to find it. Yep, that needs to be replaced. I think so. So we're gonna take that out of here and replace it with the new one. My keys are in the truck, and my stand for my phone, so I can video this while I'm doing it, is in my car, in the Civic, and I'm trying to get this done, so I'm not going to go back and forth. So I'll film what I can and then piece it together if I have to. Alright, just one moment. Alright, check out. There's a arrow on this one. See if y'all can see that. So it comes out of the tank and goes to the engine. You have to put it on like that so it's filtering correctly. So I popped it down. Sorry, I'm trying to do this so y'all can see it a little bit. That one right there is the one going to the front. That's coming from the tank. So we'll just make sure we put these hoses back together the correct way. Alright, so here's the deal. Sorry. We got it in. Leaked a crap ton of gas. But our clips, this clip came off. I was trying to put it on, forgot on here. That clip won't go back on, so I gotta go to AutoZone and get 2 screw-on clips. I thought I had some, but I don't. And then this, once it's done, we'll slide it right back in its little hole right there. Now we just gotta put the clips on and we're done. And this, I would say, definitely needed to be taken care of. Yeah, I don't think gas is supposed to look like that. That's clogged. So maybe, just maybe, it'll run better. Because it runs good, but at first it's like starving or choking. So, look at that. Finally coming out. Yeah, gas should not look like that. That's funny. It was all in there clogged up, didn't want to come out. But yep, there we go. Alright. We'll end the video here. And then I'll let y'all know how she runs. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, tag, and subscribe, comment. Thinking about repainting this whole truck. I kind of like the 90s little color stuff right there, so we might do something. But Put in the comments what y'all thinking. Alright, catch you on the next one. God bless.